this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got a dry noodle out of Taiwan. This is Kung Fu noodles with their premium black sesame oil with mashed ginger. So this is an interesting one. I've had it before. It was like knee deep in the heart of the pandemic era. And there is a difference on this one. It's got this fella on it. I really don't know anything about him, but I guess I'll have to ask the company to let me know who the heck he is. I'm guessing he's a well-known chef type. Dry noodle, guan miao, dropping in. Making a mess. Trying not to. Anyways, we'll put that here. Today is a good day. Today is a good day to die. No, not really to die, but... So one of these has the mashed ginger, which I think might be that, and this one's the black sesame oil. So you take this in 20 mils of water and mix it up. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I guess I need a thingy. Oh, and I need to set a timer. So this goes for I think. I'll check to make sure. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Let me Whoa, stop. Already had our 30 seconds, and our water is boiling rapidly, so I'm gonna move this a little bit that way. Yes, y'all. To the beach, y'all. To the beat. Really, only 2.5 minutes. Cool. I do what they tell me to do on the packaging. So, yeah, this has to be the mashed ginger. It asks for, that is some tape. There we go. Oh, what's the matter? Why don't you go have a seat and I'll come out and I'll ask you in a minute, okay? All right, love you. So, it still is mid-winter break, and it's funny because what used to be known as Christmas break, that started, I think, literally like a day or two before winter actually starts. That's the ginger. Okay. So we're going to use, they want 20 mils of water, 20 cc's, 20 mils. I'm going to take that, and I need 5 more. They want to play in the bathroom. They shouldn't play in the bathroom. Okay. So that's that, and that is done. Okay. Correct? That is correct. I'm gonna say so. Done with that. I'm gonna clean that really quick. Because that's... gotta drain it. So yeah, 'tis a good day. I ordered a part for the video game machine that I got off of a Buy Nothing group. And basically, if you plugged it in and had the speakers going, it was violently loud. I mean, like, I don't know why anybody would want it that loud, but it was that loud. And anyways, So I got basically you put a headphone jack in from the audio source to the in. Then you have this little box, and then you have one that goes to the out. It's just got a volume knob. So it's basically like a limiter. And what, like 20 bucks later, everything's working just fine. So that's a nicety. Problem is, the thing still reboots like all the time. Sometimes when there's a game going, sometimes you can put in a certain game, it'll just run that game for like hours and it's happy as a clam. I really don't know why. I think the little video game box that's in there that has all the software and all the little computer components and blah, 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 that needs replaced. So that's going to be my next step. I'll have to wait till I have some funding for that. My sister was like, well, your birthday's coming up. I'm like, I'm not having a birthday this year. So let's try this straight first. Although, that would solve some problems. I just need a new game elf. The noodle with the black sesame oil. Not really getting a lot off of that. More of like an olfactory kind of thing. Now I'm going to pour in the ginger. It shows an image of it with the ginger not stirred in, but I really want to be able to taste this. So we're going to add the ginger directly into the mix. Gesundheit out there. Gesundheit. They don't even pay attention to me because they know I'm probably talking to you. So, but okay, that looks to be a little ensconced. So mashed ginger. Now that I like. I will say the black sesame oil kind of like hangs in the back. It's not a very pronounced flavor. Kind of like I don't know how else to, it's just very light, but it does add something. I'm doing another mukbang today, later, and the kids are gonna be involved in that as they were in the last one. It's kind of fun. There's more of that nice ginger. I'm gonna put that. I don't know. That doesn't look all that great on top. I'll tell you what though, it tastes wonderful. We got some chashi. Boy, this bowl. No. I say no to this bowl. I'm just saying no, folks. Just say no. I don't want to go with that one. That bowl seems more fitting. Come on. That's a little better. think that's a better fit. Now we'll put our chashu on there and give it a little bit of flame. It's another one of those bright sunny days, which makes it hard for me to take nice beauty shots too. Got a company that I contacted the other day. I think I reviewed their stuff not yesterday but the day before. I can't remember. But I was like, hey, somebody sent me one of these. And I don't know what flavor it is. It was another Taiwanese variety, and I was like, you know, it sounds good, or it looks interesting. So if you got more of them, please send them. You know, send me an email. Well, they wrote me back. They're sending noodles. Oh, come on, you. These did pretty good. I made these eggs not yesterday morning, but the morning before that, and they really did quite well. I used the right amount of soy. They're pretty, this one is the last one of the batch. It's pretty marinated, but it's not like, I guess you could call it horribly so. So that's a plus. Yeah, I really like this one. What's kind of a bummer is that I am doing a mukbang, so if this was the only review I was doing, I'd eat the whole thing, but yeah, nope, it's not. I got 2 more after this, so this is as far as it's gonna go for this one today. A little sesame. And then of course the crushed red pepper. Do I have any? I guess I don't. Yeah, let's do a smidge of this. This is this umami, crunchy garlic umami paste, or crunchy garlic in chili oil. That's what it's called. It's great because it's also chewy. I think I'm gonna call that good. Oh yeah, that should go good with the ginger. I'll admit it. I will have a couple bites of it after this. There you go. Watch it spin. Cool, well thanks for watching. Yeah, the next one you're gonna see, the next 2 of them actually are both gonna be Malaysian varieties. This I did the other day. I did the pack version, and this is the cup version. This is the Mommy Chef and their Perisa Rendang Legenda. So, really good mee goreng. I highly recommend it. And yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe, helps me out. Thank you. Have a good one. Bye-bye.